Hey guys, Jeremy here from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves, and Rig Ready Used. I'm here to answer your questions on, are Rams cheaper to maintain than Ford, Chevy, and all the other brands? So the short answer is yes, Rams are cheaper to maintain. First off, they are overall on price just to begin with. They have less breakdowns with the inline six. Customers have said that the inline six has actually improved immensely over the past few years here, and they have had less issues than the V8. Parts are also cheaper anyways on our vehicles compared to Ram, Ford, and GM. Rams are lower MSRP and larger upfront discounts. Here in Redwater, we do also offer massive discounts on all of our vehicles. Since we're a little bit off the beaten path out here in Redwater, we're just outside of the city, we do offer better discounts than the city dealers. And also for the Rams, we also offer more options on our trucks compared to Ford, GM, and all the other brands. So we offer more elevated truck with more options compared to Ford, GM, and Chev, and they're about the same price or really similar price. And yeah, we also don't have any extra taxes like GM they have extra tax on their vehicles since they are a part of Cadillac. If you have any more questions, you can come visit us here in store in Redwater, or you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.